All right, the latest news break coming in. The Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has written to the Prime Minister Modi. Kejriwal has urged the Prime Minister to intervene and cancel final year exams of Delhi University. Kejriwal urged DU to award degrees to final semester students of basic of internal assessment. That's the latest that is coming in right now. Arvind Kejriwal is not the first political leader from the opposition who has urged that examinations be cancelled. I want to connect right now to my colleague Milan Sharma, who's going to draw this comparison of various opposition's leaders coming in together and asking that exams be cancelled for UGC, for college students. Milan, it's over to you. Arvind Kejriwal, yet another voice in a rally of voices which suggest cancel exams now due to the COVID crisis.
Yes, Preeti. In fact, this is another call from the opposition leaders to the Prime Minister as well as the HRD Minister to cancel the final year examinations of central universities across, including Delhi University as well. Remember, students have been protesting across for the cancellation of the final year exams as corona cases continue to rise in the country. Another step that the UGC went forward and told courts that they will hold exams irrespective and go online. Students have also complained that uploading these papers online, conducting these exams online is very difficult for many of the students who come from non-privileged backgrounds where internet connectivity also seems to be a huge issue. So until these issues are sorted out, they have said that internal assessment marks should be considered for students to save themselves from the stress and the tensions that they are going through with regards to these examinations. Now today, Manish Sisodia, Deputy CM, also said that they are cancelling all the final year exams of the universities that are run under Delhi. But the central universities there still haven't given a go-ahead to cancel these examinations. Of the call from students and opposition leaders increase for cancelling the final exams to reduce stress that the students are facing at this point.
All right, Milan, appreciate you joining us. We'll come back to you for more updates. Meanwhile, more news break coming in. BJP MP Gautam Gambhir has once again used the Tughlaq jibe at Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal over the COVID case rising in Delhi. After Oscar-worthy performances on TV that he doesn't care about credit, Mr. Tughlaq tagging Arvind Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party, tweeting every hour to take credit for Delhi's improvement. One question is, on what basis did Deputy CM claim 5.5 lakh cases by July end to create panic or blackmail? Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.